Hi guys, my name is Jen and this is my channel Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning friend, welcome back. I'm so happy to have every single one of you here today. Today is another really fun Mask Monday. I didn't have a subscription box to unbox today, so I thought I would share a few different things with you guys. I do have a giveaway winning from Mary Catherine Loves Cats that I want to share with you. I got something in the mail from Boxycharm. I don't know what it is. I just happened to come across it on my desk. So one of the kids must have gotten it out of the mailbox and just set it in my office for me. And then I have a couple small hauls from Marshalls and Michaels I thought I would share. So if that sounds like fun to you, stay tuned. Okay, so the mask that we're going to be using today is from Dollar Tree. Surprise, surprise. It is the Bolero Positive Energy Jojoba and Aloe Face Mask, and it is designed to hydrate, moisturize, and soothe. And this is what this looks like. As with any face mask, it does ask you to wash your face and tone before application. This is one that you leave on. It says for 3 to 5 minutes. I usually leave mine on for at least 10 to 15. And then you wipe off any excess residue. I always hate the word residue with face mask. I would say any excess serum with a damp cloth and then moisturize. So let me get this on and then I'm ready to show you what I got. Sniff test always comes first. And as I feel like with any Dollar Tree mask, it has no smell, which is fine. I just am a big smell person, so that's all right. It does have a lot. It landed on my leg. My pants are soaked now, but anyways, it does have a lot. Well, it had before they soaked into my jeans, a lot of extra serum. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh, did y'all notice the name Chaos in my channel's title? Might be why. Let me go ahead and get this open and we'll put it on. It is a thick gel-like face mask, which is neat. It's cold. They always are, right? It's nice in the summertime, but now that it's fall and the cooler temperatures are upon us, it's not as comfortable as I'd like it to be. That's okay. All right. Decent fit. It's always so wide. Like, look at these extra pieces here. It cracks me up. But everybody's face comes in a different shape and size. So let me go ahead and rub this in. All right, and then I have a pink silicone face mask holder that I'm going to wear today. And we are secure. Look at this sticking out. It's like my gills, like I'm a fish. I'm just going to leave it like that because I can. Okay. First things first, let me show you my giveaway winnings from Mary over at Mary Catherine Loves Cats. This was her Dashing Diva giveaway. Guys, this is a running giveaway on her channel. So if you are not familiar with it and this is something that you like, I would head over there now and get checked in for the next one because she does them every other week, every few weeks or so. And she's got a lot of other fun content as well. Lots of giveaways, lots of unboxings, and she's just a very sweet, genuine, good person. I will link her channel down below, so make sure you head over there. She did send me a sweet envelope with a bunch of stickers on it. I don't want to show you the addresses though, so sorry guys. We've got a cute card with some little pumpkins and a spider. And the card says, thank you. How cute does that look? I love it. And it says, Dear Jen, congratulations on your win. I hope you enjoy these. Love, Mary Catherine Loves Cats. I most certainly will. I clearly need to redo my nails. I've got one coming off already. And I've never tried Dashing Diva before, so I'm excited to give these a shot. These are the Dashing Diva Magic Press short nails. And here's what they look like. Aren't those pretty? Those are gorgeous. And I love the fact that they're short. Guys, I have to keep my nails super short because I do work in the medical field. So these will be perfect. I can't wait to give these a try. Thank you, Mary. I really appreciate it. All right, let's go ahead and see what I got from Boxycharm. This was just laying on my desk when I came in to get set up for the video, so... Oh, I know what this is. When I first signed up for Boxycharm, they let me pick a free gift, and this is what I picked. It is an OPV Beauty London Spotlight Eyeshadow Palette. I don't remember what it looks like, but I remember picking it now. Honestly, guys, the box that I got last month, I thought that had my free gift in it. Wow, I'm super impressed with Boxycharm already. Here is what the palette looks like. I don't think I've ever had anything by OPV Beauty before. Let's see. Oh my. It does have the color saver. And it's also got a mirror. So there's a mirror up on the top part. The entire thing is a mirror. So let me get that covered. And you guys, now I remember why I got this palette. Holy Moses. Look at those. Those are stunning. We've got mattes and we've got shimmers. Guys, gorgeous. I am obsessed with blues and greens right now, which I'm assuming is probably why I picked. I mean, look at all those. Absolutely stunning. Excited to have those. I can't wait to get my brushes into it. The palette basket that I have on my shelf behind us, guys, well, over that way for you, is like stuffed to the gills. And I bought another palette today at Marshall's, so... Oh my. What can I say? YouTube has me addicted to makeup all of a sudden, which is funny because I never wore makeup before this. Rarely. Okay, let me show you what we got from Michaels first. Y'all know I love my fall trucks. I've got one here, and then Steve made that one for me. And then he saw this bucket. Hey Pumpkin. It was only $4.99 at Michaels. How cute is that? I don't know what I'm going to put in it yet, but I feel like I needed it, and so did Steve, so cool. I found the latest Hungry Girl magazine. This is the fall issue, and it's 70 healthy and comforting recipes. For those of you who follow my WW or weight loss content, you will most certainly be seeing some recipes from this magazine. Then I wanted to do a Halloween project with my daughters, and their Halloween stuff was all 50% off. So I picked up some of these black painting projects. It's a black canvas, and it's clearly drawn out. It comes with paint and a brush, and then a little tray. I've got 3 different ones. These are like $2.50 a piece. There's a unicorn, and it looks like they're neon colors. So I don't know if it's a glow in the dark or what, but it looks like something fun. So we have a witch. I gotta make sure you guys can see that. We've got a witch. And then we have some cute little ghosts, I believe, and some cats. So hopefully you guys can see that. They did come with their own brushes, but I felt like just in case we needed more options, I picked this up. And this was $5.99 as well. It's got all different sizes, so. Our paintings shall be beautiful. And if you guys can hear that noise in the background, Ace is in the room next door with my daughter, and he must either see a cat out the window or he can hear me and wants out of the room. Because y'all know he loves filming with me, so I apologize for the Ace noise in the background. And then on the clearance aisle at Michael's, I found this make your own water bottle. It was on clearance for $14. You guys, I have a 13-year-old daughter who is obsessed with crafting and water bottles, so I couldn't pass this up. It's got the glitter already on there, and then I think you just put your initials on it. So super simple, but I know she'll love it. So, okay, that is everything that I got at Michael's. Let me show you what I got at Marshall's. Remember that eye palette I said I got? Ta-da! How cute is that? It looks like a stinking chocolate bar. It's a metal palette. And this is the Beauty Concepts Sweet Tooth Milk Chocolate Eyeshadow Palette. Ooh. It is magnetic. Go ahead and take off the wrapper. How cute is that? Alrighty, and then when you open it, it does have a mirror that I'm not quite sure how to hide from. There, I'll just put it up there like that. Hopefully you guys can see it. Look at those colors. Are they not gorgeous? I could not resist, and this was only $5.99. I needed some tweezers, so I picked up this little pack of tweezers here. It's got 3 different styles, and this was $5.99. I just saw another YouTuber grab one of these, and it is a magnified mirror. It's about the size of my hand, but it's got suction cups on the back. So you guys probably don't know, because most of you who are watching this are new to my channel, but our bathroom situation is extremely cramped because we have 1 bathroom, 4 kiddos, all of them over the age of 13 up to adulthood, Steve and myself. So we're all crammed in one. Space is very limited. And I'm just planning on sticking this on the mirror in there. It is magnified 15 times, and it's going to be a huge space saver. I don't have to put anything on the limited counter space that we have. And when I say limited, I mean limited. And I'll be able to do my eyebrows and my eyeshadow and everything else. So really excited to have found this. This was only $7.99. Next, I've got a Christmas gift for my son. This is a camouflage champion hoodie. There you go. Let me make sure you can see the champion. Oh, see, there's a champion symbol right there. But my guy is obsessed with champion. This was only $20. Great quality. So, had to grab it. Steve picked out this next thing. Because, like we've already established, y'all know I love my trucks. Well, he found these solar-powered trucks for the front yard. They were only $15. And he had them in the cart before I could even ask him where he was planning on putting them. So, Steve's great find from Marshall's. And then y'all will be super surprised at these purchases. I got coffee cups. This one says, "You are my one and only." Gnomes for fall seem to be really popular this year. I don't know if I just never noticed it years before or what, but they are really popular, and I just thought this was adorable. I don't have a lot of fall coffee cups, so I picked this up, and it was only $3.99. So, had to grab that one, and then I've got this one too, which I thought was super cute for Halloween. Look at the buffalo check on the inside. Is that buffalo check or plaid? I think it's buffalo check because there's no smaller lines, but I don't know how all that works. And this was $5.99. I didn't even make it past the first aisle before I had this in my hand. So, y'all know I collect my coffee cups. I love them. And then the last 2 things that I got. Lipsticks. This first one is from MAC, and the color is called Runaway Hit. And I felt like this was a really cute fall color. And it's MAC, so how can you go wrong? It is a bullet lipstick. It comes in a solid black container. And there is the color. Beautiful, isn't it? Beautiful. I'm a little obsessed with MAC at the moment. This lipstick was $7.99. Guys, that's a great deal. I know it might sound pricey, but I seriously just bought a brand new MAC lipstick off of Amazon, and it was $20. So $7.99 is a steal. And this last one is also a MAC lipstick. It is a Powder Kiss lipstick, and the color is Burning Love, which, you know, as soon as I said that in the store, Steve was with me. So what do you think the first thing he said was? Hunka hunka burning love. My poor husband. He's so funny. He's such a trooper, though. He just stood there and held a little basket for me, and I just kept throwing stuff in. Again, it is a black packaging bullet lipstick. And wait until you see this color. I was expecting like a bright fire engine red, but no. It is a nice, deep pink color. Absolutely gorgeous. Cannot wait to get these bad boys on my lips. Alright guys, we are almost to our 10 minutes, so I'm going to go ahead and get this beautifulness off my face, and I will be right back to close out the video. And I am back. I have not completely wiped off my face yet. There was so much serum left, I wanted to give it a little bit of time to absorb before I started wiping it off. So if you see any shiny spots, that's what you're looking at. My skin definitely feels smoother. It feels moisturized. I mean, I can feel a little breeze from the window coming on. or hitting it, and it feels really good. And then, I mean, texture-wise, it feels good. It is a little sticky, but I'm assuming that's why they want you to wipe it off with a damp cloth, which is no problem. Again, guys, this was the Bolero Positive Energy Face Mask with jojoba and aloe from the Dollar Tree. No complaints, as always. The only thing that I missed just a little bit was a scent, but that's not a deal breaker for me, so yeah. Okay, guys, that is my Mask Monday. Real quick, before we leave, if you wouldn't mind giving this video a thumbs up, I would greatly appreciate it. If you're not a member of my YouTube family, guys, I would love to have you. I am finally over 800 subscribers, which means we've got that giveaway coming up at some point this week. Maybe this coming weekend, I'm not quite sure. Depends when I can film it. So if you want to get in on that, guys, please consider hitting that subscribe button. I would love to have you as part of my YouTube family. I hope you all have a fantastic, wonderful Monday, or Tuesday, or Wednesday, or whatever day it is when you're watching this. Thank you all so much for all of your support. Until next time, guys, keep smiling. Bye.